Okay, let's look at the question we have at hand today. If 3x squared minus 3y squared is equal to 24 and x plus y is equal to 4, find the value of x minus y. This is a case of simultaneous equations, one quadratic and one linear. And if you're going to use a traditional way of solving it, it's going to take a long method. Of course, you're going to be correct at the end of the day, but it's going to take a long method. But if you look closely, not always that you can do this, but if you look closely and you see some things in common, like square, 3 common, you could do difference of 2 squares, then you don't have to go through that longer route. Otherwise, you have to go through it, you don't have any choice. But in this case, we might have a better way and a faster way of looking at it. So let's take a look. Let's take what we're given to start with. We could write this 3x squared minus 3y squared equal to 24. You could see that 3 is common, so I could write 3, factorize 3 out. So we are left with x squared minus y squared is equal to 24. And again, quickly note that this looks like a case of a difference of 2 squares. What do you mean by the difference of 2 squares? Whenever you have something like a squared minus b squared. So you will quickly write two brackets, a, b. One bracket is plus and the other bracket is minus. And it doesn't matter whether it's the first bracket that is plus or the second bracket that is minus, it doesn't matter. So that's the principle of difference of 2 squares. So let's apply it here. So if I have this, I think I will be able to write 3 and I'll put this in two brackets. So x plus y, x minus y, and that is still equal to 24. Then go back to what we have in here. If you take a look closely, you could put it. You could actually put 4 here and see whether what number will give you this. But let's do it in another way. So I will divide by this x plus y. So meaning we have x plus y here, and this x plus y is equal to 4. So we put the 4 here. So what do we do next? If you look closely, this will cancel out this, and then 4 goes there, 4 goes there, 4 goes in 24, and you have 6. So let's quickly write out what we have left. All we have left here is 3 x minus y is equal to 6. However, note that this is what they ask us to find, x minus y. So all you need to do is to divide both sides by 3. So 3 cancel here and 3 cancel here. 3 goes there, 3 goes there, and we have 2. And we have x minus y is equal to 2. And that is the answer. Have you learned something? Follow so that you can see more math tricks like this in some other topics. And also help us to like and share, just to encourage us and to allow more people to see this. Thank you for doing so. And I'll see you next time. Bye.